Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my current cloth and paper unboxing. So let's jump right in. Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here, and I'm excited to share with you my cloth and paper unboxing for this month. Many of you know I'm subscribed to their Stationery subscription box. I have been for so many years. I love this box and I look forward to it every month. So let's jump into the latest box that I received. So Cloth and Paper brand is known for that minimalistic look, just simple and black. I do want to say this video is not sponsored. I purchased this box. I've been a subscriber of their box for several years, but it is something that is a joy, and I love it. I think it's the only subscription that I belong to currently, and it's the one that I've always kept. So I love their aesthetic. It's just that simple black and white aesthetic. And let's see what we got this month, guys. I'm excited. Oh, look at here. Okay, let's see. It says, the key to success is to start before you are ready. Marie Forleo. I love Marie Forleo, by the way. You should definitely check her out on YouTube. And I think she's big on Instagram too, but she's an entrepreneur. Really great tips. I love this. Okay, so what this is great for, and a lot of times you'll find this in your subscription box. They'll put different quotes and things. And in the last couple months, I would say they've been good about giving 8.5 by 11, because these are good to put, if you have binders, you can stick it in the front sleeve and use it as a motivator. You can also punch it and put it in your disc bound. So I like this. Now, one thing I will say before I jump in is that I belong to 2 of their subscription plans. They have a pinscription, which is a subscription to pins. So you get a collection of pins every month. And so I do belong to that. So I am going to hide this from you so that we don't spoil it. And we'll look at that secondary. And then now we'll get into the actual cloth and paper subscription, stationery subscription box, okay? So that's the first thing that you see. I love that it starts out with motivation. Oh, friends, I think I see some goodies peeking through here. Okay, so let me say this also. Because when it comes to planning, we all use different planner sizes, so you may have A5 or someone else may have personal size. And so what they do is they ask you when you sign up for your subscription, you know, what is your, what planner size do you want? So when they send items as it relates to a planner, and not all the items are kind of inserts for planners, but when they do send you those types of items, they will be in the size that you select, so you know that you can use them. So that, you know, to me, that takes a lot of care and effort on their part to make sure that happens. So the first thing we have here looks like, and here's the thing about it. This is just such a motivating box. Everything in it just motivates you to stay productive, to stay organized, and I love that. Oh, how cute. So I have here, let me turn it the right way, my April 2021 month of card. This is great to put in your planner. You can always put these in your wallets. It has the month of April for 2021. Beautiful. Oh, some motivational cards. These are beautiful to either hole punch and put in your planner or to put in the pocket of your planner. You can also put these in your drawer. I did a desk organization video this past Friday, and if you have not seen that video, I'll link it below. But in that video, I talk about how it's good to put little inspirational cards in your desk so that when you open your desk drawer, it's kind of, that's what hits you. And so these cards that I always get from my subscription box are just those things that I use for that. So this one says, change is inevitable. Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. John Maxwell. We have a month of card. And you'll remember in my desk, I told you I wanted to put my newest card in there. So I have that. Look at this. Okay, this is in, I think this is in Italian. So we are not going to attempt that. But how neat is that? Aspire not to have more, but to be more. I like that. I like that. So those cards are just so cute and handy. So good use out of them. So then here we have the gray note cards. And these are the circle stickies. So these are actually sticky notes, and I can always use these, and they are in my gray. They are in that color that I love so much. So things like this, and this is why I like the subscription box, because I feel like it doesn't provide clutter for me in my home because all of the things that they're giving me are consumables. These are things that I can use and then they're gone. So, you know, when I use my card here for 2021, I'm just going to get rid of it once the months are gone, once the sticky notes are gone, they're gone. So, and then here are some light gray sticky note cards, and this is in the color porcelain. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take it out of the packaging so that you can get it. It's kind of dark, so it's nighttime or getting to be dark, so bear with me as far as my lighting. I'm sorry it's not the best. It may look a little crazy as far as the color, but here you go. Sometimes grays and things don't come out great on my camera when I try to record at night. You know what? Let me turn on, bear with me, let me turn on my lamps. And maybe that warm light will help the color grade of what you're seeing. Maybe not, but maybe it will. Let's see. Okay, does that help? And let me, oops, excuse me. I'm roughing it, guys. You see that? Okay, friends, I'm back. I'm sorry I had to step away for a moment, but the next item is this graph sticky note, and I can always use these sticky notes. And this is in, it's called Chateau, and I'm assuming that is the color, but those are really handy and cute, and I hope you can see the graph lines on there. So all of these, I love it when they put these in the subscription box because, again, these are consumables that I can just really utilize. And I was running a little low, so I am glad I'm stuck back up. So here are the Chateau Dot Grid, and this is in the sticky note too. So it must be the brand is what the Chateau is. And then look here. Ooh, how cute is this? This is a beautiful dashboard. And so again, I have my subscription box with cloth and paper set up for A5 size planners. And so this is what I am getting is the A5 size. And this is absolutely gorgeous. And things like this allow you to refresh your planner and to really keep it fresh and fun, you know, really switching these things out. So the next item is a dashboard. It says structured. Adjective, having a manifesting and clearly defined structure or organization. So that's very cute. So that's be neat to put in the planner, put in my A5 planner. So here is another beautiful dashboard. It's translucent, so this is gorgeous. Definitely, it says Resolute on it. Definitely can utilize that. Oh, so in this box, it is all about the dashboards. I have a good little stash here. Own your own story. Love that. Beautiful. And then what do we have here? We have task delegation. Oh my goodness. How I love this. Okay. This is the demo page. And I think this is new. I don't think that I've ever seen Cloth and Paper put a demo page in their inserts to share with you how they're used. But it says here, I don't know if you can read this. Let me see if it's, make sure it's focused in here. But it basically has a place for you to list all of your tasks, what needs to be done, non-priority tasks. Nice. We can always use a task page in our planners. Definitely useful. So these are the things that came actually in this month's planner. And I think the next one is due to me pretty soon. So I may be coming with another one of these videos in the next week or two. With my new subscription box. I was just a little late getting through this one, but I think that I'm going to try to get the other one out pretty quickly. And so I'm going to put all this back up here until I can take it to my office and get it sorted. But now I want to share with you the Pinscription subscription. So this is the actual pin subscription where you get a combination of pins for your planner or just for whatever you need. And it's often a combination of pens, highlighters, markers, different things like that. So, and they have, and I didn't show you because it was on top of the, I'm sorry, I should have shown this, but they always give you cards that tells you what is inside the box, but I try not to share it with you so I don't spoil the unboxing. But with the Pinscription, it also has a place for you to write and do test writing. So we're going to do that also. So let me kind of zoom in a little bit with this actual portion so that you can really see how these pins are working. Let's do it. Okay, so that's our pin test sheet. I'm going to zoom in so that you and I can test these babies out. So let's see. Can you see there? There we go. So here are the pens, and I'm going to get them open, and then we'll see what we have here. And they tend to always give you a little bag. Wait a minute, let me go back here. I'm sorry, I'm just moving you guys back and forth, but I want you to get a good view here. You know, it's hard when you're watching YouTube videos and they're so close up, you can't see what they're showing you. It drives me crazy, so I try not to do that. Okay, so, oops, dropping pins. So I will say that I like how this pen writes. It's very smooth, very nice. I definitely can see me using that. So I think I will hold on to this one. This is a great one to work with. So I really like that one. So the next pen I do like, it's in a green ink. So it's great if you want to color code or categorize within your planner. So that can be a neat one also. And it's a nice kind of evergreen color. So it's really pretty. So now on to our next one. Okay, so this one is okay. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's a little too thin for me, so I don't know about that one. So I'll put that in the stash. I'll usually put them in these bags and take them to the office and put them in the supply so that we'll have them. And then let's try the pink. So not only is it pink on the outside, it is pink on the inside. So you definitely can write in pink with that. And I will say, although it is pink, it's not too light. You can still read the text, so it's pretty good. So that, again, I might hold on to this one. This might be a good one to categorize, color code. And then next is the highlighter. So this is a highlighter. It is a heavy highlighter, so it's in a peachy color, so it's really heavy. One thing I will say is I probably should have let the ink dry before I tested it out on the ink, but it's definitely got a lot of kick to it. So I think I'm going to hold on to that also. So out of the 4, these are my keepers. So I'm keeping a good bit this month, and then I'm only taking one to the office and putting into the stationery stuff. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing all of the items in the Pinscription and the cloth and paper subscription box. If you're interested in becoming a subscriber, I'll put the information to cloth and paper below, or check out their website. They have some really great products. And I hope that you all have had a wonderful day, and I hope that you're going into a beautiful evening. I will see you at tomorrow's video. Have a beautiful day, my friends, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.